gets taller. Can't fight against the youth. Oh no, we're strong and we'll rule people. Can't fight against the youth. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Today we are out on the cod grounds, folks, and the early morning was a super slow and painful bite. But as the day progressed and things started to heat up, we did manage to get some keeper cod. Cap was on fire, and everybody got to go home with a couple keepers, which is great, especially with the way things have been out there and the fact that we haven't been able to get out too much. But they did get out the very next day and had a great day, and we're going out, I believe, Friday and possibly Saturday. I doubt I will be sailing either days just because we have a huge saltwater show at the convention center for Crafty One, which I will be working all weekend. So if you guys are in town and you want to come stop by the Crafty One booth and say what's up, we'll be there, and I'll be signing t-shirts and all sorts of stuff. Just kidding, nobody's gonna ask me to sign anything. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. It's not a super long video. There wasn't a ton of action, but we still had a blast, and you can see, you know, we did get into some fish in a couple parts of the day. It was like kind of broken up, but we landed some decent fish throughout the day. So enjoy. If you're not subscribed already, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell as well, and enjoy the video. Did you hook something, Cap?
Yeah.
Chog. Is anyone taking home choggies today? Anyone? Do you want to take choggies? No?
No.
Nobody wants them? That's the bottom.
Good sashimi. Choggy, good sashimi. Yep. What you got, John?
I don't know. I got it on the jig. I probably snagged something. It's probably side hook choggy. Just feels slightly heavier because it's side hooked. That is exactly right. Side hook choggy.
How you eat the choggy?
Choggy? You could eat just like Tautog.
Really?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll try it.
Yeah. Yeah, they're good sashimi style.
Really?
Really good sashimi style. But they eat very similar to Tautog. They have a very similar texture, and they're cousins. Oh, did you get unstuck?
No, not anymore.
Yeah, you're unstuck. You got something?
Yep.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. So you got something? Double chog. Throw that little one back, but definitely keep this one.
Yeah, get that little one back before anybody sees.
Nice, nice, nice. You need a net? Oh, you got a net. Come on, baby.
What is it?
Little cod. Little cod on the jig.
That's a keeper.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes. I don't know. It's gonna be a little under, maybe. What's that? Yeah, I mean, I would check often if you. Them choggies are ridiculous. There you go. That's a good one.
Nice.
You can eat them whole. You can do them whole. You could do them filleted.
Okay.
You could do them raw.
From UK.
That's cool.
This is like $30.
Really?
Yes.
If you get one on that, that'll be awesome. That thing's cool.
Yeah, that's a Norway people, Swedish
the brand?
people. This is
Berkeley.
but there's no, they're not selling in US. Yeah.
Yeah. Sharp hook too.
Yep.
Nice. That's cool. I like it. Looks like a mackerel.
Yep.
You gonna fish? John, you still stuck?
Yeah.
Feel better than a Bergal?
Yeah.
John, you got out?
No.
You-
Broke off. I wonder where it broke off.
There we go.
Look at this name on it.
It's a cod.
Oh, right.
Keep too.
Big one. Keeper.
Not huge, but it's big enough.
Yeah, he's a big enough keeper.
Big enough to go the fuck home.
Oh my goodness.
That's all it matters to me.
Good job.
Boom, baby.
Good job.
Go.
Oh my God. Fishing
Oh my
chip.
God.
It's a big. There's a fishing chip there. Woohoo.
Please don't spin on me. That's a nice one. Hell yeah.
Fish.
Hell yeah, dude. Boom!
Thank you.
Side hooked? Yep. There we go. Damn. You feel like you're in line too.
Son of a bitch, man. I told you to do it and you did.
Those are my gift. That just jokes.
You can punch them.
You know I have electrical happening at your house, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Just don't
You lose your gear, you lose your house. Oh, before I leave, I was setting money on the table.
Is that a cod?
Yep.
Hold this.
Yep, that's
a keeper.
Too.
Hell yeah.
Thank you.
Is that English?
I don't know. Is that English?
I don't know.
The more it comes up, the less I think it is. Oh, do you want the 10 ounce?
Nice, John. What's that?
10 ounce?
10 ounce, yes.
You think so? Oh my goodness.
That might keep, John. It's close. It's close, baby. That's close, baby. Right on the dot, baby. Johnny boy. Side hook choggy. Oh no, in the mouth. Choggy. Lead him. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Thought I had a keeper. 2 side hooked choggies. That sucks. You got something that matters, Cap?
Oh, maybe.
These, like, they're not even keeper size. Oh shit, it was a cod. I hit it too. That's 3. That's 3 for Cap.
Yeah, I have a Hollywood rod.
Ooh, we like those. We like those.
Yeah.
What is all this, Cap? Fucking mic. Oh, it has been around all day? Yeah. Yeah, just getting ripped up. The fuck? Yeah, baby.
Whoa, Carl! Come on. Whoa, another one.
It's a monster! Oh my god!
No, it's not.
Bye, bud.
So there's 2 caught up, right?
Whatever works.
Was that pretty much immediately?
Yeah. It was as soon as it hit the bottom.
Hot dog.
Whoa, whoa.
No, 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 no. 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 I don't know if it was going to keep.
I don't think it was, but
It was close. That was a close one. I've never seen one of them do that.
well,
He is so... You can still see him. If I had the harpoon...
We're laughing with you, not at you.
no, I'm laughing too.
I got it on video. Am I caught on anyone? Bueller? This one actually feels fucking decent. Thank God. Mother of fuck. That is rubber from the side of a boat. I quit. Boy, that thing fought like a mother. Tell ya, it had like some bounce to it. Yeah, fuck yourself. Can you eat a bono?
It's like 50 inches.
PB.
Like the old school jig.
I know.
That's not the operator, Todd.
Listen, I'm seeing the fish. My jig's seeing these fish first, and they're like, "That jig's stupid," and they just go to his.
Use a bit?
Okay. No. If this isn't a fucking fish, I don't think it's big.
You need that?
No. Probably a pinchoggy. Fine. What'd you get, Cap? That's a maybe. Woo! It's a tinker cod. On the Ron's teaser. Give me my goddamn Ron's back.
Get him? Get it back down there.
Well, little guy, but Cap and I both got two. You're supposed to throw back too, yeah? You.
Oh, nice.
Stupid choggy. How's yours, Cap? Is it as big as his? Are you gonna? Can you give us some grunts?
It shows it. Yeah, how to use that thing?
The net? No, not really.
I noticed. It's actually
Is that big enough, Cap? Third time's the charm, Doc. Oh, they got me.
Hey, I don't think that's a moment. Oh.
You got it? You got a fish too?
Fish.
Yeah? Small?
Yes, small. Remember I told you like I want to get Any more chuggies?
I don't know, Doc, you want more of these? That's a decent sized one, so. John, what time is it? Damn it.
It is 12:30 on the nose.
Perfect.
Yeah, baby. Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.